In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, knowing how to navigate your LinkedIn profile is crucial for making the most of what this platform has to offer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly check out your profile, edit any details if needed, and present your professional persona to the world with confidence. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Simply type linkedin.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you've landed on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll see a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now arrive at the LinkedIn login page. Here, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Type in your email address or phone number, followed by your password, and then click on the Sign In button. Make sure you double-check your details to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage, which acts as your social hub for all professional activity. This is your starting point for navigating through the site. Next, look for the Me icon, which is usually displayed as a small image of your profile picture, or a silhouette if you haven't uploaded one yet. Generally, it's located in the top navigation bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on View Profile. This will take you directly to your full LinkedIn profile, where you can see all the information you've added about yourself. Here, you can review and edit sections like your work experience, education, skills, and much more. If any changes are required, you can easily update your details by clicking the little pencil icons next to each section. Viewing your profile regularly ensures that you are presenting the most current and professional image to potential employers or connections. It's also a good idea to occasionally update your headline or summary to reflect any new roles, skills, or achievements. And that's it. You're now able to view your LinkedIn profile with ease. Keeping your profile polished and up to date is a great way to showcase your professional journey and make meaningful connections. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.